Hello. Okay, this one.
A ball.
No, this is not ball. This is a ball. This is 1, 2.
Back my shoes.
Yeah, 1, 2. Backwards my shoes. This one. So this one. 1, 2.
Back my shoes.
Knock on my shoe. 3, 4.
Knock on door.
Yeah, knock at the door. 5, 6. Yeah, pick up sticks. Okay. 7, 8. Lay them straight. Good job. 9, 10. A big
hand.
Yeah, a big fat hand. And this one 11, 12. Dig and 12. 13, 14. Measure cutting. Measuring. You say measure cutting. Good job. 15, 16. Measuring in the kitchen. 17, 18. Measure waiting. Yeah, the hand can lay. What is this?
Egg.
The hand can lay egg. 19, 20. My place. Empathy. 21, 22. Shoe from shoe. 23, 24. Home one more. 25, 26. Let's get this fixed. You say, let's get this fixed. 27, 28. Fasten the. What is this? What is this? What is this? Good job. Wait. 29, 30. You're safe now. Got it. Here, close the gate and the fox cannot come in. Okay? Come in and get the hand. Can you spot the difference between these two pictures? They are 6 to 5. Okay. Look at this picture and look at this picture. There's a difference. There's difference. Close that. Okay. Let's say goodbye.
Bye.